Okay, good day, math buddies. Let's try to solve this one or factor this completely by using factoring by grouping. So in this case, as we can see, we have 12a cubed minus 9a squared plus 4a minus 3. We will group this particular expression into two. So this one is the first group, 12a cubed and 9a squared plus 4a minus 3. So in this case, we will see what are the common terms in each of this group. So in 12 and 9, the common number factor of 12, if we try to factor this out, we have 4 times 3. And of course here, a cubed, we have 3a's. 1, 2, 3. And then for 9, we have 3 times 3. And then we have how many a's? So we have 2 a's. So now, as we can see, here the common are the following. So we have 3. Here, 3 as well. And then how many a's do we have here? We have 2 a's common and then the other 2 a's. Now, if we take that out, so we will try to write it as 3a squared. And then after that, as we can see, the remaining numbers that we have is 4a. So we have 4a. We will write it down, 4a. Okay? And then, if we divide 9 by 3, so as we can see, this is the remaining number. So, and this one, since this one is subtraction, so we're gonna put subtraction or minus sign, and then we will copy this number 3, and then there's no more remaining number aside from 3 if we take the common number, which is 3a squared. So we have that. Now here on the second group, as we can see, there's no common number, so we will just take 1. But since this one is addition, we'll just put plus 1 and then times 4a minus 3. Now, as we can see, we have two terms. So the one outside and this is inside the parentheses. So what do we do? So in this case, we will pair 3a squared plus 1, and then the other one will just copy the term inside the parentheses, which is 4a minus 3. So this is our factor. Now let's do the other one. Okay. So again, let's divide this into two groups. So we have 2p cubed and 5p squared. So as we can see, the common term that we have is p squared. So because 5 and 2, there's no common between 5 and 2. So only 1. Of course, 1 times 2. If we have the 1 times 2, okay. And then how many p's we have? 1, 2, 3. And then here, 5 times 1 for 5. And then we have how many p's? We have 2 p's. Okay. So of course, 1 is an identity number for multiplication. So, and any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So what we're going to do is to take this. We have 2 p's and then the other 2 p's here. So now we have p squared. Alright. Then we have, if we take p squared, we will have a remaining 2. And then since this one is addition, so we put addition. And then here, the remaining number is 5. So we put 2p here, sorry. So we have 2p. And then we have here 5. And now, on the second group, we have what's common with 6 and 15. The common is 3. So since this is positive, so we have 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then we copy p. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So as we can see, we have two parts. One, the outside. So you have p squared plus 3. And then the other one, which is inside the parentheses, which should be the same. 2p plus 5. Otherwise, if the number inside the parentheses or the terms inside the parentheses are not the same, then we cannot use factoring by grouping. Okay, so therefore, this is our complete factor of the given expressions that we have.